Okay, yeah, this is... Okay, it's already recording.
All right, hello, my name is Nicholas Calzaretto. I'm part of Team H2 with Aaron Kranick, Kurt Wagner, and Harrison Holmes. And this is our air engine that we built. So as you can see, this is our flywheel, this is our power cylinder and our valve cylinder. Some interesting features on our air engine is how we're using bronze bushings to keep as little friction as possible between the coupler and the output shaft. And another interesting feature is our adjustment plate, and this allows us to adjust our phase angle between the power cylinder and our valve cylinder. We have perforated hexagon holes over here to save weight. We have some slots here to adjust in order to perfect our timing and perfect our symmetry with between the piston and the cylinder itself. Design our flywheel in a way to lessen as much weight as possible and keep weight on the outside in order to give us the biggest possible moment of inertia. And that's about it.